Hey everyone, so just a quick little tutorial here today. So often what happens in projects as we solve problems and work through problems, we evolve our schedules. And when you go to your schedules, you instinctively just want to right click on something and copy to clipboard or paste it to another view. And sometimes in particular schedules, it doesn't really work. And so I've got a little kind of secret workaround here. So I've got a sheet open, a title block open. So we've created a bunch of schedules for electrical. So we can bring over these different schedules. And once we bring over these schedules, we can then copy them to other projects. Let's go here. So we created some power or some data and communication schedules. And this project I am in right now actually doesn't have a basement, but we try to do them all for all the projects we're kind of working on. And so usually at most we'd have 3 floors. So I feel like a template is better to be subtractive than additive. And the other thing we do is we do these all schedules. So we have all communications, all data, all switches. And then I'm just missing basement floor switches. So here's where the trick comes in play is we can actually grab all of these schedules. We can go up here and click the copy button and we can open our other project and using the PyRoots plugin to color these tabs if you're wondering. And now that we're in another project, we can hit paste here and it will paste these other schedules over here. And now we can go into our schedules and quantities and we can see that those same electrical schedules are here now. So just a quick little tip on how to move schedules between projects. Thanks for watching.